Here's the new color, Mommy. That's that shade I showed you. Doesn't look too bad. Yeah, I wish they'd pick up the pace on. The weather's good for painting and laying tile and all that good stuff. Yeah. As for that extra light, he broke through there. Get those floors evened out. Okay. Laundry room light switch. Put a light up there. Power switch. Washing machine and dryer. Holds humidity back here. Holds heat. Bathroom. Oh, 2 lights. Good. Toilet's there. Piping. Yeah, they had to cut. So they have to finish painting that. The tubing. And then there's a light switch. I wonder what that light switch is for. I don't know. It's well put together. And we go outside. And this is it all cemented up. And I told them don't bother with that wall. They were out here today. And that's all of that. That's the standing pipe. Poured that water off and I'll clean back here. Get all that together. And then there's the back of the house. They have to finish the insulation up here. Finish the insulation up there. I know you can't really see it. The insulation, everything's well insulated. Yeah, really nice. They're filling all of that in with those granulars there, with the stones. Fill all of that in. Yeah. And they're working on the house over here. They're working on that one. Yeah. Gate standing up again and finished painting here. Yeah, so not too bad. It's been a long time coming, but not as long as it has been. I'm grateful. So I got double lock on the door. Double lock, that's the door to go out. And then I think I want them to put a sliding door up here. Like this in the bathroom upstairs. Put the maybe they'll put a door here, it'll open up. Having it open that way. I want it to hinge out and not hinge in. Then go back in and lock it in. So this is a double locking the door thing. It's a double locking the door thing. Yeah. So that's it. Tell you, when it was the old kitchen, the windows looked wider. And then that's where the door used to be for the basement. So, all right. That's the end of that video. All right. Picture. Yes. All right.